Enrolling students into a course. To enroll students, you must be logged in as a user with administrative privileges for the desired course. First, enter the desired course. Open the block drawer and look for the administration block. You can add one if needed. Navigate to Course Administration, Users, Enrollment Methods. In the Manual Enrollments row, click the Enroll Users icon. The Manage Manual Enrollments page lets you add multiple users at a time. You can assign roles here and limit the duration of the enrollment here. To add users, select them from the list and then click Add. Return to the main course page by clicking the Course tab at the top.